Come in." Dad was painting the door. Mum went out. Biff and Wilma came to play. "Come in," said Dad. 3 children came into the house. They came to play with Biff. "Come in," said Biff. 4 children came into the house. They came to play with Chip. "Come in," said Chip. 5 children came to play. They wanted to play with Kipper. "Come in," said Kipper. Mum came home. "What a lot of children! What a mess," she said. Mum looked for Biff, Chip and Kipper. They were watching television. Mum was cross. Mum gave the children some biscuits. They all went home. Mum went outside. "Oh no," said Mum.